This here is a GoPro Hero 5 Black. It is an absolutely fantastic piece of kit. Really, really good camera. It stopped working on me. It wouldn't power on. So, holding down the power key, the mode button, nothing. Nada. Zilch. So I had an online chat with GoPro support about this, and they were really, really helpful. So basically what they told me to do was take out the SD card. The SD card's in it, so just take that out, and to hold the mode button down for 10 seconds just to see if I can force a restart. Ten seconds. Now to count to 5, just to leave it alone for 5 seconds, and to see if it would power on by pressing mode again. Nah, nothing. Nothing on the LCD screen, nothing on the back to suggest it's powering on. Even tried that, because you can, by pressing that, it'll go straight to shooting mode. So, just to show you it's not working. Nothing, not coming on. It did, the battery was fully charged when I was using it. So you'll just need to take my word for it that it's charged. So the next thing GoPro support told me to do was to plug it to its power source and just switch it on at the wall, which I will do now. And any GoPro users will know that when it's charging there'll be a wee light there, and there's nothing at all on the camera to suggest it's charging. The cable's in, there, nothing, nada, zilch. So I have a faulty GoPro. GoPro support did say to take it back to where I got it from, and if they couldn't help, then I'm to send it to GoPro themselves, and they'll be more than happy to help me out. So good customer service from GoPro, and yeah, so my GoPro is broken, and I hope to get a new one imminently, or certainly very soon.